Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make images move in Capcut PC. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Making images move in Capcut PC is a great way to add dynamic effects and animations to your video projects. You can achieve this by applying motion effects like keyframes or simply using movement transitions. So once you open the Capcut PC, I want you to click the Create a New Project to begin your work and start from scratch. But if you have already an existing project, just click on it. Right now, I'm working with this specific project. And I wanted this image to move. All right. So first off is going to be using the keyframes for custom movement. All right. So first off is you need to select the image, not the video. All right. Because the video here has like a different transitioning effect. I want you to click the image. And then from there, the next thing is I want you to click the transform, which has the scale. So we're going to add one keyframe here at the very beginning. All right. You would notice that there is going to be kind of like a diamond icon here at the very beginning. I'm undo that. You see this? If I click the add to keyframe, you would notice that there has been a diamond here, but I'm going to undo that because I want the playhead to start from the very beginning. I'm going to click and add a keyframe, and then rightfully so, when just around here, I am gonna make this image like smaller, and then I'm going to add a keyframe for that. Okay, and then here I'm gonna make the image again to the way it was. I'm gonna add a keyframe, and then the next effect is gonna be I'm going to zoom out with this and click the keyframe, and then here I'm gonna retain again the position of the image from the very beginning like this, and add the keyframe, and then the last part is gonna be moving the image from left to the right like this, add the keyframe, and the last is gonna be moving going to the right here. So if we click the video from the very beginning, we will see that we are going to be successfully created a moving image here in Capcut PC. Moving from one side. We can also add in like probably here we can extend this, or maybe just here. We're going to add like around here. Create an effect, and then here add a keyframe again. So let's see if we click that from the very beginning, we would notice that we were successful in creating and moving images here in Capcut. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.